Hi everybody, it's Miss Lorenz. I'm going to talk about Unit 2, Lesson 13, mini lesson. And we're going to be looking at tables and double number lines, and we're going to be tying them together so that we can answer some more complicated ratio problems. So let's just compare these. So we know that both of these representations, the double number line and the ratio table, they both help us to use multiplication to make equivalent ratios, right? So for example, I can multiply my 1 here times 3 to get 3, and my 6 times 3 to get 18, and I would do that same thing here in this table. So on a double number line, the values are listed in order, and this is that key piece. These are in order, and they're evenly spaced intervals. But in a table, you can write the ratios in any order. That's why if you look at this table here, the numbers are out of order. They're kind of all wonky, and sometimes that's really handy in a table because if you decide, oh, I need this piece of information, you can just write down an additional number. Maybe you want to know, like in this problem, we're looking at distance traveled and elapsed time. Maybe you want to know how far would I travel, or how long would it take if we traveled, say, 72 centimeters, right? Well, if we want to know that, because this is about a snail, if we wanted to know how long it would take the snail to travel 72 centimeters, I can just write 72 down in my table. See how easy that was? And then I can look for another number that I want to multiply by. So in this case, I might want to multiply the 6 times what to get 72? Well, I know 6 times 12 is 72, so then the same row, I would multiply 1 times 12 to get 12 minutes. Okay? So a table is it's not requiring us to space out our numbers in a nice interval way, like a double number line. If I wanted to figure out the same question, how long it would take the snail to travel 72 centimeters, I would have to extend this line. I mean, look at this. I'd have to go way out here, and it would fall off the paper, and before I could actually get to where it lines up for my double number line. So in a problem like this, you wouldn't want to use the double number line. So you're going to have to kind of figure out as you solve these problems which representation works best for you. Okay, that's it for that mini lesson. I hope it helps you get through those practice problems, and thanks for listening, guys.